The AI revolution inside your pharmacy. Every time you pick up a prescription, you're placing your trust in a system. You trust the pills in that bottle are exactly what your doctor ordered, at the perfect dose, and safe for you. But what if I told you a hidden danger lurks in pharmacies everywhere? A danger that leads to what experts call a silent epidemic of preventable medication errors. One foundational, though older, report estimated these mistakes harm at least 1.5 million Americans every single year. But right now, a quiet revolution is underway. It's not happening in some far-off lab, but right behind the counter of your local pharmacy. A powerful new technology is being deployed, an artificial intelligence that promises to make many of these dangerous errors a thing of the past and help create treatments designed specifically for you. This is the hidden AI revolution that's becoming a critical part of your healthcare. To get why this revolution is so necessary, you have to understand the immense pressure on a modern pharmacy. Your local pharmacist is one of your most accessible healthcare professionals, but they are also facing a crisis. Recent surveys show that a majority of pharmacists report high levels of burnout from work-related stress, with some studies finding rates over 60%. That puts them right up there with other incredibly demanding roles in healthcare, like physicians and nurses. Think about the sheer volume. Pharmacists decipher complex prescriptions, manage hundreds of look-alike and sound-alike drugs, and juggle enormous workloads, all while answering questions from patients and doctors. This pressure creates a perfect storm for human error. A simple typo, a moment of distraction, a misplaced decimal point. These small slips can have devastating consequences. Studies even show that clinicians experiencing burnout are more concerned about having made a medication error. This isn't about competence, it's about a system stretched to its absolute limit. The numbers are startling. Globally, unsafe medication practices are estimated to cost $42 billion annually. And in primary and ambulatory care, some data suggests that roughly 1 in 20 patients experiences preventable harm related to their medication. This is the danger we've all been living with, born from a system that asks people to perform with the flawless memory of a machine. So what if we could give them a tool that does just that? This is where artificial intelligence comes in.
But forget the idea of a cold robot replacing your pharmacist. Think of AI as the ultimate co-pilot, a super-powered assistant working alongside them to safeguard the process.
This tech is here to empower pharmacists by handling the complex, data-heavy tasks that are nearly impossible for the human brain to manage alone. First, AI is being used as a powerful safety net. When a new prescription comes in, AI systems can scan and check it in a split second. These algorithms cross-reference the medication with a patient's health records, checking for allergies, dangerous drug interactions, and incorrect dosages. It's like having a safety expert who has memorized every medical text and your entire medical history, checking every single prescription. The results are transformative. Some case studies using these kinds of advanced technologies have reported reducing certain prescription errors by a staggering amount, in some cases by up to 75%. But safety is just the beginning. The next, and maybe most exciting part of this, is the dawn of hyper-personalized medicine. For decades, medicine has been mostly one-size-fits-all. We've known a drug that helps one person might not work for another, but we haven't always known why. AI is helping change that by unlocking the secrets of our DNA. In a field called pharmacogenomics, AI algorithms can analyze a person's genetic makeup to help predict how they'll respond to different medicines.
What if your pharmacist could help predict, before you even take the first pill, whether a certain cancer drug will be effective, or help select an antidepressant most likely to work for you with fewer side effects, based on your unique genetic profile? This isn't science fiction, but an emerging frontier. While it's not yet standard in most community pharmacies, AI is making this level of personalization a potential reality, moving us from an era of educated guesses to one of scientific precision.
If you're finding this look into the future of medicine as fascinating as I do, take a moment to subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Finally, smart technology is freeing the pharmacist. A huge part of a pharmacist's day is eaten up by repetitive tasks like managing inventory and processing paperwork. Smart automation and robotics are taking over these duties with incredible efficiency. Robotic dispensing systems can fill prescriptions with near-perfect accuracy, and some studies show they can slash preparation time and boost productivity significantly.
This isn't about cutting jobs, it's about reallocating expertise. By automating the routine, AI frees up pharmacists to do what only a human can, provide patient-centered care. It means more time for real conversations, more time to answer your questions, and more time for the human connection. That's the true heart of healthcare.
So, what does this all mean for you? Picture your pharmacy experience in the near future. You walk in, and before you even reach the counter, an AI has already scanned your new prescription, cross-referenced it with your available medical data, and flagged a potential minor interaction. By the time you speak with the pharmacist, they aren't just handing you a bag. They're ready to have a proactive conversation with you and your doctor. And because an automated system is handling the physical dispensing, the pharmacist has the time to talk about your concerns, your lifestyle, and how this treatment fits into your life. The whole experience is safer, faster, more personalized, and much more human. Of course, it's natural to have questions. Is my sensitive health data at risk? Is an algorithm making life or death decisions? These are critical questions. That's why the best AI integrations in healthcare are built on a human-in-the-loop principle. The AI provides data and recommendations, but the final clinical judgment almost always rests with a human expert, the doctor or pharmacist. They interpret the data with the context that only a person can have. Plus, robust regulations and ethical guidelines are being hammered out right now to tackle the huge issues of data privacy and algorithmic bias, aiming to make these tools both safe and fair. It's a work in progress, but the goal is collaboration, not replacement. It's about combining AI's power with the empathy and wisdom that only a human professional can provide. The role of the pharmacist isn't going away, it's getting a massive upgrade. For centuries, we've relied on them as the final checkpoint in our healthcare, but we've burdened them with a workload that pushes human limits. The AI revolution in your pharmacy isn't about removing that human touch. It's about finally giving pharmacists the backup they need to do their job with a level of safety and precision that was previously unimaginable. We are moving from a system of preventing mistakes to one that predicts problems. From one-size-fits-all treatments to medicine that is hyper-personalized. This quiet revolution is reinforcing the trust we place in our pharmacies, creating a future where medication errors could become a distant memory and every treatment is a better fit for the individual. The future of the pharmacy is smarter, safer, and more personal, empowering pharmacists to focus on what matters most. You. AI is already here. But what are your biggest hopes or concerns about this technology in your healthcare? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the technology shaping our future.